Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best coffee grinders in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the OXO Brew Conical. This OXO Brew Conical is one of the best coffee grinders you can get for around $100. It is well designed from an aesthetic standpoint. It is pretty tall at 14.8 inches, while its slender body coupled with its more substantial height gives it a stately appearance, enhanced by its shining silver finish. With a 12-ounce capacity, it is larger than most of its competitors. Its grounds container can accommodate up to 110 grams, while its hopper holds up to 0.75 pounds of coffee beans. The timer on this model is especially great because it maintains your setting. And finally, for controlling, it provides 15 settings plus micro settings to let you adjust your grind to suit your taste. Next is from Hamilton Beach. This is an electric coffee grinder that can grind enough coffee to brew up to 12 cups. It's simple and intuitive use whether you're new to whole bean coffee grinding or have been grinding your own beans for years. Its grinding bowl is designed with durable stainless steel, which is also removable for easy filling and pouring, and is dishwasher safe as well. And featuring a durable stainless steel blade, it can also grind coffee beans and spices with ease. It also has a hideaway cord storage at the bottom of the grinder that can store the cord neatly and out of sight when it is not in use. Next is Bodum Bistro. This Bodum Bistro is an electric Burr coffee grinder with an adjustable grind. It rushes beans instead of slicing them, ensuring consistency while preserving the beans' intrinsic flavor and aroma. And it can be continuously adjustable, means twisting the upper bean container determines how finely ground the beans will be. While with its 12 settings from coarse to fine, you can deliver the ideal grind for any brewing method. It comes with a static-free borosilicate glass container with a rubberized grip to catch and safely transfer the grounds while preventing jumping from coffee grounds. And finally, using its push button and the preset timer will allow the users to grind the exact amount of coffee needed, keeping beans fresh and preventing waste. Next is Cuisinart DBM-8. This Cuisinart DBM-8 is a combination of low price, sleek and compact design, and ease of use. By design, it has a contemporary brushed stainless steel finish, which will fit well with your other kitchen appliances. And weighing around 4.5 pounds, this Cuisinart DBM-8 Burr grinder is lightweight, making it ideal for those with limited counter space and offering efficient storage. Moving on to its performance, it boasts 18 levels to grind your coffee beans, from ultra fine to extra coarse. And coming with an automatic stop, your beans will be guaranteed to be consistently ground to the right grade, maximizing the oils, aromas, and flavors for a better cup of coffee. Next is KRUPS Silent. This Silent Vortex 3-in-1 is designed for the quietest grind to perfectly fit into your morning routine. Its patent-pending Vortex Spin technology can grind coffee beans for 12 cups in 15 seconds for drip coffee. And featuring a removable stainless steel grinding bowl that comes with a dedicated storage lid, it can also seal the grinding bowl to perfectly store your freshly ground coffee, dry herbs, or spices. It is easy to clean as it conveniently features a removable stainless steel grinding bowl, and both these grinding bowls and the grinding lid are dishwasher safe as well. Lastly, with the Capresso Infinity Plus. This Capresso Infinity Plus Burr grinder is a solid and affordable choice for your mornings. For maximum aroma and flavor retention, nothing can beat this Infinity Plus Conical Burr grinder. You can choose from 16 different fineness settings, including extra fine, fine, regular, and coarse grinding for every type of brewing method, from Turkish fine to percolator coarse. And when it comes to its capacity, its see-through bean container can hold up to 11 ounces of beans, while its tight-fitting ground coffee container can hold up to 4 ounces of ground coffee. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.